Okay, chill is on the way. Sam, a few extra layers if you're heading out to some high school football tonight. But then the real cool down starts tomorrow.
Yeah, that's right. Tonight isn't going to be the big problem. It's going to be what we're going to face as we head on in to our Saturday night and Sunday. It is definitely going to be very, very cool indeed. I'm just going to go ahead and cue this up here as we head into the evening hours. It's actually not bad outside. It's pretty pleasant. It's what we're going to be facing as we head on into the next 24 to 48 hours. And this ridge of high pressure moves off to the east. Trough of low pressure digs down over the eastern third of the nation and ushers in that cooler air. Frontal system right now on approach, and you can see well over the horizon. It looks like a fairly narrow band of rain, but I think it'll bring rain to much of the Atlanta area for most of tomorrow. So from the morning to the afternoon, we're going to be dodging some showers and some heavy downpours. Isolated thunderstorm, not out of the question, but we're not expecting any widespread severe to be impacting us, that's for sure. So let's take a look outside and show you what to expect as you head out the door this evening. Pretty mild temperatures. It's going to be what we face as we head out the door tomorrow that's going to be a real game changer for us. So we're seeing those temperatures right now across much of North Georgia shaping up like this, with mid-60s in Clayton, and in Blairsville we're looking at 68 in Dalton, 71 in Marietta, LaGrange at 72, and Peachtree City at 72 as well. So it was a pretty nice Friday ahead of the cool system that's moving in. 73 today, not bad after morning low of 48, and we should be around 70 and 51. So we're just a little bit above average for our high temperature today, but not tomorrow. Look at this. We're going to be in the 50s all day long. We're only going to have a degree spread between our low and our high of about 4 degrees. The temperature's not going to be budging. And as we head through the day, rain heavy at times and those gusty winds too. So let's talk about the timing here as this front moves in. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, and the rain's just starting to move in across northwest Georgia. As we head into the morning hours on our Saturday, heavy downpours right ahead of this frontal boundary. So keep an umbrella with you. I know there's a lot of activities planned tomorrow outdoors, so you're going to have to keep a careful eye to the radar just in case an isolated thunderstorm pops up here. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and look how widespread the rain is here across North Georgia. That continues into the evening hours as well. Those Halloween parties on Saturday night, they're going to be very damp, very dank, and very cold and windy, with those winds up around 25 miles per hour on our Saturday night, blowing that cool air around. This is right before midnight, and we're still seeing some pretty heavy rain across northeast Georgia. And then look what happens as it moves to the east. Even some snow here across the Appalachians. So we'll likely see some snow from about Asheville northward here. Not much accumulation, but this is indicative of a big change headed our way, with much colder air. In fact, Sunday morning, we'll likely see some of our first freezing temperatures across North Georgia this season. So Blairsville expected to get down to freezing on Sunday morning, and close to it here in Rome and in Dalton. Carrollton in the mid-30s on our Sunday morning. And it's not just going to be about the temperatures in the mid to upper 30s Sunday morning. It's going to be those gusty winds as well. And it stays cold in the 40s for much of the day on Sunday. And then check out these winds. This is Saturday morning, 20 to 25, with some gusts even higher than that at times. And then as we head into our Sunday morning, once again, very blustery winds. And this is going to continue throughout the day on Sunday and even into our Monday. It is going to be gusty and cold as you head out to work or head to the bus stop. So a 90% chance of this rain on our Saturday. It's going to be windy and cold and raw. Look at this on our Sunday, in the 40s for much of the day. Very, very cold. Another cold one on our Monday, the coldest overnight lows most likely as we start out the work week. And then good news, by Halloween, temperatures should start to moderate just a little bit, and we should see some improving conditions. So it won't be too bad for Halloween itself. And in our 11-day look ahead, we're calling for things to shape up like this with seasonal temps. That means more 60s. Some of those showers will be lingering as we head into that November 4th through November 7th. So get ready for a big time rain event on our Saturday, 1/2 inch to 1 inch expected, and then windy and cold. I mean, really cold behind that front. And we'll be right back after this break.